Hello, welcome to this update. Let's see what's happening in Europe. So we have this storm now near France and the UK with some rain in France and some snow in parts of northern France already and some rain in the UK. So we have also this big low pressure for a lot of rain and snow parts of Russia, Finland and Sweden. Still some storms and some rain, even some snow near southeastern Europe. So let's see here, because this storm today will bring more snow in France, as you can see here, more snow in the Alps and northern France, and even a snow or two in the Pyrenees and Spain. And this storm will also bring a very big windstorm, so especially parts of Spain and France. So we will see that. But the snow expected in France today, the Europe model has some snow in the southwestern UK and has a lot of snow for northern France, including Paris and some other areas. Has central France some snow and has more snow in the Alps as well, especially in Switzerland. A lot there, and the French Alps as well. So be aware. Shows some snow northern Spain and the Pyrenees, especially central Pyrenees, a little bit of snow, a finger or two in Corsica. So be aware that in France, with the snow, it has already started snowing in many locations there. And in the Pyrenees, it does show here some snow there, more in the higher elevations, and some northern Spain there. And let's see here, in the Alps too. So in the next 5 days, it does show the Western Alps in France more, and especially like shows some snow through Italy and Austria too, but especially in Switzerland shows some high accumulations, central southern Switzerland. So be aware. And let's see. So there's the European model too, has the system there. More snow in France to southern Germany, the Alps and other areas today. It has that snow still in Ukraine, in some rain there, Romania. So this goes into Russia, more snow rain to western Russia. And then the system from France goes all the way to Eastern Europe, through like Austria, Slovenia and Hungary. More snow for those areas. Late today and Friday shows more snow Slovakia into Ukraine Friday, and more Belarus, and half of it goes to like Bosnia and Montenegro, southeastern Europe. But you should have heavy rain ahead of it in northern Albania, so be careful in northern Albania there. That could cause a flood threat. This shows a snow or two in Macedonia, Bulgaria, Friday to Saturday, and then the other system to Russia there. And later shows that big low pressure in the North Atlantic around the UK, with more rain and snow, especially central UK on Saturday. So that might cause a big windstorm there. At the same time, shows some snow in Turkey, central Turkey and eastern Turkey there. So yeah. And there's the GFS too, shows a similar thing, that snow goes all the way to Eastern Europe. It has some snow showers lingering across Germany and Denmark as well, and some areas of the Baltics on Saturday. Then it has like 935 low pressure in the North Atlantic on Saturday, with a big front into Ireland and the UK. Those tight isobars might mean some very strong winds there, especially on Saturday, and some gales and some snow. This keeps spinning there still 953 by the GFS, but by Monday then it goes there. So that might be an important storm to watch. There's the icon as well, shows the system there in France, with snow in Switzerland and Germany. This goes there, the snow into Eastern Europe and to Russia, and the icon has a 933 low pressure, 932 this Saturday, for big front into Ireland and the UK, and more rain and snow. So please be aware those areas, and this might cause us a strong front into France and Spain, especially Spain. Shows heavy rain to Spain and Portugal next Sunday, the 24th, into next Monday. So gotta be aware there too. And still some snow in Turkey and Western Asia there by next Monday. So be aware those areas. This storm today there in France has some higher gusts in western France, close to 100 km per gust. Those islands there in the British Channel, and more in northwestern France. And Spain, the northern Spain, should have a more coastal and wind event because of this wind, so shows northern Spain close to 75 to 80 km per gust. But this is just now. Later today shows very bigger winds in Spain, stronger there, especially in France. Most of France, the model is like 98 to 126 km per gusts. Western France, southwestern France, some very high gusts, and more gusts in the Mediterranean, some bigger surf, and for northeastern Spain too, northern Italy, central Italy, and the Alps, some strong winds in the Alps and Switzerland, so be careful there. And also the snow plus the winds might generate some low visibility and everything, especially in the Alps, so be careful there. So still by tonight, some very strong winds in the Alps and more in Switzerland, central France to southern France, some high winds. Again, the mountains of central Italy, there's some higher gusts, so please be careful. There's some very high gusts. And in Spain still, but by tonight, some higher gusts central to southern and eastern Spain and northern Spain there. So this is Thursday, shows strong gusts all the way into Austria and through Bosnia and Croatia, some very high gusts there, right? This goes, and the Europeans some very high gusts for like Romania, and especially in the mountains there, close to 100 km per gust, Montenegro and Bosnia, so be careful there. Most of Bosnia, southern Croatia, not areas. Still, like in France and the Pyrenees, on Friday morning, some higher gusts in a spot or two. Then this goes, shows some high winds Bulgaria into Turkey and Greece on like Friday into Saturday. And then maybe the Greek islands near Cyprus and some areas, some higher gusts the next Sunday into southern Turkey there shows some higher gusts. So be aware. And here shows next Saturday this storm coming in, shows some 83, 90, almost 100 km per gust, depending where you're at by Saturday. Then this goes more into the UK there, so especially northern UK, some 80, 90 km per gust, and some other areas higher too, so this goes there. Might have some high gusts through northern France, northern Spain as well. And then this goes, still shows very high gusts Northern Ireland by like next Sunday, close to 100 km per gust. Southern Iceland there, some higher gusts. So be careful in those areas. And then this goes there, shows even a part of this, like Finland and Russia later. And now shows as still that system in Sweden and Finland with some high winds today Thursday. This goes there, shows it diminishes a little bit, but still by Friday a gusty wind or two near Latvia and like the seas there. Then this goes into the Arctic seas, and be aware there. And so be careful. There's like the snow from the European model shows here until Saturday, shows more in the Alps, central northern France, more snow there, a finger or two in Belgium, the Netherlands, some snow whispers in Germany, and shows some in Denmark, northern Poland and Lithuania, and southern Poland some lighter snow, into Romania, most of Hungary, Slovakia, and more across Switzerland and France there, some in the Pyrenees. So it shows there's snow in Turkey there. If I put it until Tuesday, shows more in Turkey, and the European has some very crazy amounts there, close to like 100 centimeters in eastern Turkey. So we'll have to monitor that. Shows more in Serbia, Bosnia, in those areas. But in terms of rain accumulation, shows that heavy rain northern Albania, southern Montenegro might cause some flooding, so be careful. And shows there in Spain until next Tuesday some more rain, 60-70 millimeters, shows more in the UK, so 90, 100 millimeters in a spot or two. In terms of snow, from the next system on Saturday too, shows most snow central northern UK, Northern Ireland. Shows a snowflake or two southern UK, but very little. And shows more to Norway and Sweden, especially northern Norway this next 5 days, more snow there. Finland a little bit less in the south, but it shows most of Finland some snow. To northwestern Russia, Sweden there. So BR and central northern Iceland choose some snow. So be aware in those areas, and still shows very cold temperatures. Those areas, even during the day, today some spots like 2 degrees Germany, with many spots in the Alps -9, -14, not northern France. Some parts of Spain like 19, 21 along the coast, but some 10, 9, 12 degrees in interior areas. But even during the day, like Belarus, Latvia, some 0, -1 in Russia, Norway, some -20 in the mountains, Sweden, very cold across Finland, northern Norway. But like tonight into Friday shows a big area of negative temperatures all the way into Bulgaria, Belarus, Lithuania, Ukraine, very cold into Russia. Like most of northern France, central France, colder temperatures. Switzerland, especially Germany, Denmark, very cold. Some parts of Ireland and the UK, those negative temperatures in some areas. And Norway shows all the way to -24 in the mountains. Sweden, most of Sweden, very cold there. And Iceland, -10, -11 too. So yeah, be aware. This is Friday. This goes still cold on Saturday. Some spots in the Alps, very cold there. And the Pyrenees and Andorra, Spain and France, so -4, -3, -2. This goes there. Shows yeah, and still pretty cold by early next week, especially in Eastern Europe, in the Alps, and Southeastern Europe and Turkey. And yeah, behind that system on Saturday, we might have some cold air by next Wednesday in Spain again, and like Ireland and the UK. So be aware.